this it's not little scale, but this is not so clear. But if we go that position after that he break, so I think you can wait for. Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another Bitcoin graphs and chart. Today I discuss about the new update of Bitcoin graph. So let's start. First of all, I am on the 1-day chart. In on the chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 1 hour chart, in 1 hour chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 2 hour chart, in 2 hour chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 3 hour chart, in 3 hours chart you can see also the market is going to up. If I go to 4 hour chart, same, there is market is going to up. If I go to 1 minute chart, in 1 minute chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 15-minute chart, in 15-minute chart you can see also the market is going to up. If I go to the 45-minute chart, in 45-minute chart you can see the market is also going to up. So it's clear market going to up. And what position he stand, now we can discuss it. For this I go to 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart you can see the market is going to up. Here if I calculate this, it's better. 2 hour chart, the same position. Also 4 hour chart, the same position. But if I zoom it, you can notice that. And then take a scale, and this, it's so little scale. For this it's not so clear, but you can notice that the market down, after that he can up, then he down, and now the position is up. So my calculation is going to this position, same scale, then this position, after that he down or up. So I think you can wait for the next direction. Market going to that position, after that he break. So I think you can wait for sometimes, follow this trend. Okay, if you know the good prediction, comment below and share your idea. Now I discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 20,215.80 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 20,215.80 USD. I hope everybody like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.